Hi guys, good afternoon to everyone. This is Prakash. So now I just wanted to talk about that Zara brand. Whenever we just that comes in your mind, that Zara. So it's all youth and very accessible for every age of customer, and that brand is very popular about their that very ongoing fashion day to day life. That because that people changes at every after a single day, every after single week, they just need a new designs, they just need a new fashion to add into their wardrobe. So that's because of these reasons that Zara status their minds, and that's why they are very much a popular and the famous. So let me just talk about little thing that small brief about the Zara. So basically Zara is a Spanish brand and which that it deals in clothes and the accessories, and it is the flagship brand of the Inditex group. So that Inditex group, they have different lines also. They are coming with this coming with in India. So this fashion brands keep up with the latest fashion with high quality of products and with affordable price. So and nowadays that Spanish clothing brand become a very like go-to fashion brand for all of the people. So let me just tell about that small story of Zara. So it's really no surprise that Zara, which started off a small store in Spain, in nowadays it's a world largest retailer, and the founder of Zara is that Amancio Ortega, and he is the fourth richest man in the world. So it all started like when Mr. Ortega established a dress making factory in the year of 1963, and then 10 year later he started of a small store that was named by that Zorba, which is in Spain. And after 3 years, that in the year of 1975, so the name that name changes with Zara with no particular intention. So that's how the world's most favorite fashion brand born. So Zara slowly expanded its empire from the town in Spain to the rest of the country, and later on to the Portugal as well. So by the year of 1990, the brand, the store had expanded into the United States, and then France, and that few of the European country as well. So today, Zara has close to like 6,500 stores across 88 countries in the world. So one thing I must share, that secret of Zara, which is that largely the way it kept up with the street fashion, with the changing times. That a brand takes it, that how fashion is changing in every day, and in every after 2 weeks that it makes a new designs, new fashion, and then they put them into the store. So Mr. Ortega was famous for his view on clothes as a that perishable commodity, and that people would love them to use, and then they just throw them away. So Zara is also known to be one of the few clothing brands that produces that 100% that toxic free clothing, and Zara always remains that faithful to its core values, and it is expressed simple in the same four keywords. That's a beauty, clarity, functionality, and the sustainability. And now let me talk about that few interesting one of the interesting things about the Zara. That Zara introduced that use of RFID technology in the stores, all of the stores in 2014, and that RFID chips are located in the every security tags, and which were removed from the clothing when the product was purchased. So it is used to allow the company to take a quick inventory by detecting that radio signal from RFID chips. So when the stock is sold, the stockroom is immediately notified so that item can be replaced. And even that product is not on the shelf in the floor, so it can be detected through RFID chips. So Zara has that huge collection of menswear, excuse me, that children wear, that women's wear as well. So they are more into that all kinds of cloth. They are into formals like blazers. They have a formals men's ready to wear suits. They have a formal as well as the casual shoes, shirts, trousers. Even they have a casual t-shirts with that jackets with the winter leather jackets, and that sweatshirts, the casual shorts also. Even same in the women's wear collections as well, and same and in the children's wear collections. And the prices that I told you, that whenever that it comes on your mind about the Zara, so it's for the all the ages of customer. That's a simple and basic coat t-shirt starts in the range of like 7 to 800 rupees and onwards. So it's very much of acceptable for the youth fashion and the college going fashion, those wanted to that spend with their own budgets. So guys, this is all the things about the Zara. Thank you so much.